Hello, welcome back to Fighting 50. Today I'm going to show you how to do cute hairstyles for long gray hair. It's hard enough to do hairstyles for long hair just in general, but when you have long natural gray hair and you're a little bit older, it's a little bit more difficult, but it's not impossible. So first, you're going to part your hair on the side. Okay, once you do your side part, so once I did my little hairstyle, I don't know what to call it, then I'm going to give it a few little, curls. So I gave it a few little curls at the end, and that's basically it. That's my half up, half down hairstyle. Fast, easy, cute, a little bit different. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, subscribe and hit notifications. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a blessed and wonderful week. See you soon.